Hello guys, so good morning and good day. Uh, my name is Gabriel and welcome to my presentation of my web app. So just a bit of background. So I built this dashboard since I'm managing two e-commerce stores for two brands. So they mainly sell or they mainly operate on Shopify and Lazada. So I manage these two e-commerce website for these two different brands, and also the data lives in different places. So we still utilize Google Sheets as well. So pretty much the basically softwares they have their built-in features, but they don't talk to each other. So I built a dashboard for me to centralize everything, since also part of my role is to manage these in terms of customers. I also manage customer service side, fulfillment side, and after sale side. So I'm pretty much my role is well rounded. Uh, so that's the reason why that's the reason why I was forced, or like I needed to create this web app for me to completely manage everything in one go. So why is this powerful? So this is a full stack web app, and I built and deployed it free. I think that the cost that I only paid is only for um, the LLM to help me build this one. So yeah, I built this for my own work first. So now this might be an opportunity for you to utilize. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead. This is my interface. So this I created the login. So I just need to log into the account. All right. So we're now inside my web app. So I called it GNexus. So it's an operations intelligence platform. So just to also give you a background for all the tools that uh, is connected here is Shopify, Lazada, and also the internal tracker or the internal Google Sheet that I use, and also the warehouse team uses. Because uh, in reality, teams will always use Google Sheets. They might use some other data entry tools like Airtable, Google, Excel, Microsoft Excel. But here, I made it fluid, since it we still use Google Sheets, but it's direct, or it already talks with our Shopify account. So here, on the first part, once you log in, I already have the inventory here. So this is all the inventory for my client. So without logging into Shopify, I'll be able to see which products are in stock or how many are still in stock. So without logging in directly to Shopify. And yeah, this is pretty much one go or all-in-one dashboard. So I can show the out of stock items. I can download the full data set, and these two are the basically my most important feature for this app. Because initially, before I was with this client, they were paying 20,000 pesos a month as a subscription for a web tool for them to sync or to synchronize their inventory across different channels. So with this web app, we were able to no longer need to subscribe to that platform. So yeah, this button pre-order, it sets the product to be it can still it can still sell even if it's out of stock once I click the pre-order. So later I'll give you a bit of background on how I was able to build this, but I will not teach you, or I will not discuss here like step by step because it's a bit confidential. It's also uh, you can give me an email if you want guidance, but I'll just give you a bit of context. So yeah, just a sample. This button, once I click this one, it will automatically sync the inventory in our Google Sheets directly to Shopify. So if without this app, I will be wasting or at least I will be uh, consuming 2 to 3 hours every end of the day just to make sure that everything's in sync. But with this web app, I'm able to completely synchronize everything in just one click, and it will just take for about 1 to 2 minutes. So that's time saved for the client and for anyone who uses this tool. All right, so it's syncing, and just to show you as well that there's a log, so that once you pressed it, you know that it's working since it's syncing directly to Shopify. So I can show you na if it's working. I can log into Shopify right now. Once it's done syncing, we can double check for the item if it's synchronized. Okay. So while it's syncing, I'll also show you some of the features. All right. So this button as well, it does the same feature. So it also syncs to Lazada. So yeah, that's pretty much the main feature of this web app is to synchronize everything for those multiple platforms. And now I also have a platform, or I mean a tab that shows all the orders inside Shopify. I also have a dashboard for how much sales we have for Shopify, and also we also have quotations for business clients that require their quotations. And also this is for inventory or for variance report every end of the month. So this one is also being used. So if you want a variance report, if you manage your warehouse as well, is also part of the feature. Next is sale manager. So this part, it allows me to manage sale prices to Shopify. So if a product, if the client wants certain product to be on sale, either it be a value or a percentage type, I can apply it, and I can also schedule it. So yeah, I can set it as a sale price. I can't do or some make a sample right now because this is live. Okay, so we don't want to put unapproved sale for our client. So next is also the price editor. We have it available as well. We can make price edits for all the products in Shopify. So I just yeah, okay, it's already loaded. So same thing, I can put a price, I can edit the price without logging into Shopify. Next, this tab is a pending feature since the 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 goal or what's it for is for booking an order directly to a local logistics partner. So just to give you a bit of context, because in Shopify we don't have local logistics partner, so we can only ship via DHL, UPS, and other international brands. But for local Philippine brands such as this one, also LBC and AP Cargo, so it's not available through Shopify yet. So I created, or this is also a pending project with our partner logistics platform, for me to directly book our order directly to their system. But we're still pending on some configurations. But this is a uh, opportunity as well, or a pending feature. So let's move on as well. So this one is all the internal order that is connected to our Google Sheets. So like what I mentioned a while ago, we still use Google Sheets, and this is directly connected to the Google Sheets, or the tracker that we use for orders. And that Google Sheet is actually empowered or also automated as well using N8N. So everything is seamless. So no other third party apps is needed, or other third party CRMs are needed. Just Google Sheets and this application and N8N. So yeah, that's the stack. So yeah, and also for community units, we also have a tracker for that. So this one is actually customized for my client. And this one is another feature that I added. So same principle or same thing with Capex. It's just that this one is actually a booking directly to Lalamove. No longer needed to I no longer need to log in to Lalamove and manually book an order. So I just use this feature, and then input the details, and it will automatically send or request a booking directly to Lalamove. But right now, I paused this feature because as you can see, it requires this latitude and longitude. So I need to upgrade this one. I need to utilize the API for Google Maps for me to make this more user friendly. Because right now it's not user friendly because still very manual. Okay. So now I also have this all-in-one dashboard. So it connects the Shopify orders, the internal tracker orders via Google Sheets, and also Lazada. So in just one glance, in just one page, I can see all the pending orders across different e-commerce channels. So yeah, this is also one of the best features that I have for my web app. So yeah. And also one of the best thing as well, we have a warehouse scheduling calendar. So this one, because as I have mentioned as well, I handle the fulfillment for all the orders. So I need to balance, or if you're a user that needs to balance all the events for your warehouse, for your fulfillment, and for the overall business, this calendar feature is also available. So I can just put a schedule here, click, and then it will pull up all the orders. It will pull up the orders and then schedule it. Like for example, this one. Okay, so it's provincial since it's to Cebu. Then you need to use this one and then save. And then it will appear on the calendar so that you can manage your schedule right away. So yeah, but I need to delete this one since oh, all right, I can delete it. Oh, wait, the button, or the button of CapCut is not allowing me to delete it, but let's just keep it there. It doesn't book automatically, so we're good. I'll just delete this later. So, and also this one is a full inventory master for connected to Shopee, or I mean the Google Sheets, because this inventory is only what's inside Shopify rather. It's only inside Shopify. So 117 products are currently live in Shopify, but this one is the full inventory. So the non brand products are also inside this inventory master. So at one glance, we have it available. And also, you can switch to different stores. So right now, I can switch here. Okay, so as you can see, the products got updated. So it's also connected to the other brand. So, but the other brand, yeah, it's also a different kind of product. So that's pretty much it. So, uh, yeah, I have already showed you the login page and also the master orders. So let me explain as well a bit of background. So the stack I used is actually Supabase and then also Node.js for the JS ecosystem. And for the login, it's JWT, so JWT token. And yeah, so I also deployed it via Vercel. So yeah. So the project took about 1 week to build. So it allowed me to eliminate manual work as well and to no longer need to subscribe to the other third party web apps. So yeah, right now it this web app is being used directly by me and it helped me a lot. So also a bit of background on how I was able to connect this one or how I was able to connect or made the apps talk to each other is using Shopify REST API. So I just read through the documentation, created a web app, and completed the build. So if you're interested in this kind of platform, please feel free to DM me. Also, you can also subscribe to this channel to see more of the projects that I have built. And that's it. Thank you so much uh, for seeing this presentation. So have a great day. Bye.